If someone has ever asked you to review their book and you felt like, where am I supposed to start from? Then you'll want to watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Ezinne Edet. I'm a creative writer and editor who helps writers find their voice and earn from their skill. If this is something that you're interested in, then you'll want to click the subscribe button below. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can write a book review. Did you know that review writing is one way that you can make money as a writer? If you want to learn other ways that you can make money writing, then you'll want to watch this video here. When writing a book review, it's important that you keep it short and simple. So I'm going to be showing you 3 steps that you can use to write a book review. Step 1. Start with a book description. Be careful not to reveal spoilers or plot twists. When writing your book description, remember to summarize the entire content of the book. And when writing the book description, don't forget to include the genre and the category. So you're going to write if this book is a non-fiction book or a fiction book, and then what type of book is it? Is it self-help, motivational, for self-development, or a religious book? When writing your book description, remember you are writing a summary. You are writing a book review, not a book report. So keep it short and simple. Step 2. Evaluate the book. This is where you give your personal opinion about the book and write what you liked or disliked about the book. Remember, having a strong opinion is different from over-criticizing the book. Respect the author when you are giving your opinion about the book, and support your points with evidences and examples. Think about where the review is going to be posted and have the target audience in mind when you are writing. If there was any guideline given, remember to follow the guidelines when reviewing the book. Here are some questions you'll want to have in mind when evaluating a book. First thing you think about is, was the language that the writer used appropriate for the audience that he had in mind? How was the tone and figurative expressions that the writer used in the book? Were they appropriate? How did the book make you feel after reading the book? Were you inspired? Did you feel scared? Did you feel happy after reading the book? Did the writer do a good job in conveying the core message of the book? And if you're writing a review for a fiction book, you want to ask yourself if the book ended well. Were the characters used appropriately? Were there any characters that were introduced in the book unnecessarily? Did each character play his or her role well? Was any character lost in the course of the story? Were there some characters you felt the author would have given more responsibilities? And does the tone or the mood that the story gives off appeal to the target audience? If you are getting value so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Step 3. Write a recommendation. This is where you're going to give the book a star rating. You can give it from 0 to 5 stars, but remember to always back up your rating with a reason. At this point, you also want to mention what kind of readers you recommend the book to. Would you recommend it to older readers, younger readers, teenagers, fans of relationship, action, comedy, thriller, or drama? You can also mention at this point if there is any book or series that you want to compare the book you are reviewing to. And there you have it, 3 simple steps to writing a book review. How have you been writing your book reviews? Leave a comment in the comment section so that I would know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.